Hello everyone, myself Arg Misra. I am currently pursuing my BTech from Bennett University. Today I will showcase my project named Text Summarizer to you all. So I will first go through the PPT and after that I will showcase the demo version of it.
Hello. So this project focuses on using artificial intelligence and the natural language processing to automatically summarize large pieces of text into shorter, meaningful summaries. So this is the second slide, the introduction one. So as we know that in today's digital world, a huge amount of text data is generated every day in the form of articles, reports, and documents. Reading long documents take a lot of time and effort, and often the most important information is buried deep inside lengthy content. That's why text summarization helps solve this problem by extracting the key points and generating a shorter version of the original text while preserving its core memory. And here's the problem statement, which says that the people often do not have time to read long articles or documents, which I told you earlier, and finding important information manually is very difficult, and manual summarization is time consuming. So here is the objective part. The objective of this project is to develop an automatic text summarization system. This system aims to reduce the time required to read large documents. It focuses on identifying and extracting the most important sentences from the text. To achieve this, we use various natural language processing techniques. And here are the technologies which I have used for this project. We use Python as the programming language. Several powerful libraries were used, such as NLTK for text processing and NumPy and Pandas for data handling. Development was done using tools like VS Code and Jupyter Notebook. So here is the methodology part. And first, the user provide an input text document. The text then goes through pre-processing steps to clean and organize the data. Important sentences are identified using NLP techniques. These sentences are scored and ranked based on relevance. Finally, the top ranked sentences are selected to generate the final summary. So this is how this project works. And if I talk about the text preprocessing steps a little further, then text preprocessing is very important step in this system. It includes tokenization, where the text is broken into sentences and words. Stop words like the, is, and are removed because they add little meaning. The text is converted to lowercase, punctuation is removed, and finally the text is converted into numerical form for analysis. And here's the working of the system. The system starts when the user inputs a large paragraph or article. The text is processed using NLP, which is natural language processing techniques. Important sentences are identified based on their relevance and meaning. These key sentences are combined together to form a concise and meaningful summary. So here is the application part. We can use this for news article summarization, research paper summarization, document analysis, educational content summarization, and business report analysis. And here is the conclusion. So to conclude, text summarization significantly reduces reading time and effort. It helps extract the most important information from large pieces of text. This project demonstrates how NLP can be applied to real-world problems. And now here is the demo part of my project, the text summarizer. Here I can paste the link of any website or any article and it will summarize it. Or the second method to do this is that I can copy paste the entire content into this box, and after that it will summarize it. So for example, if I go to the Wikipedia page of Mr. Narendra Modi and I copy paste this much of content, and if I click on summarize, then it will summarize it. Here is the text summary. Here is the input text. This is the input text, and this is the text summary. If you want, you can read the text summary, and here the input text if you want to read it as well. So uh, here's the about us part, that this project has been made by me, and this is my project. So I hope you all like this video, and goodbye.